New Toyota Land Cruiser teased with classic FJ62 design cues. Toyota has released another teaser for its highly anticipated new Land Cruiser, and this time it features classic design cues reminiscent of the iconic FJ62 model. The image provides a close-up look at the front fascia, revealing similarities with the 1980s FJ62 Land Cruiser. The new model, expected to be launched for the 2025 model year, showcases a rectangular headlight array flanking an egg crate grille, with Toyota script replacing the oval brand emblem at the center. The front fenders retain the blocky and rugged design of its predecessor, while the hood wrapping down onto the body sides introduces a modern touch. Though the new Land Cruiser takes inspiration from its classic ancestor, certain modern design elements are evident. The chunky front bumper is adapted to meet modern crash standards, featuring a thick, contrast color center section. It also seems to be positioned at a height that preserves approach angles, which will be appreciated by off-road enthusiasts. A skid plate is also visible in the teaser image. The teaser image helps distinguish the Toyota Land Cruiser from the Lexus GX, as both models are expected to share a platform and body structure. However, the Land Cruiser's blockier front end is tailored to its off-road-oriented audience, differentiating it from the more angular design of the Lexus GX, with its headlights and spindle motif grille. While Toyota has yet to disclose the Land Cruiser's full details, it is likely to feature a range of powerful and capable powertrain options. The Lexus GX, which shares some similarities with the Land Cruiser, is powered by a twin-turbocharged 3.4-liter V6 engine producing an impressive 349 horsepower and 479 pounds-ft of torque, with full-time four-wheel drive, a torsion center differential, and selectable low range. The Land Cruiser is poised to offer exceptional off-road capabilities for comprehensive details, including dimensions and additional powertrain specifications. Enthusiasts will have to await Toyota's official unveiling of the 2025 Land Cruiser. Until then, fans can enjoy the anticipation of this highly anticipated off-roader's arrival.